Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Celsius herbicide. First, ensure you're applying it to warm-season turfgrass, as it's specifically designed for these varieties. Always check the current temperature. Celsius works best when temperatures are consistently between 65 and 90 degrees Fahrenheit. This optimal range ensures maximum weed control and turf safety. Proper timing is key for effective results. When mixing Celsius, carefully measure the correct amount for your area. For most applications, use between 0.057 and 0.092 ounces per 1,000 square feet. Always include a high-quality non-ionic surfactant at a rate of 0.25% by volume to enhance absorption. Mix thoroughly in your sprayer with enough water to achieve uniform coverage across the treated area. This ensures the herbicide reaches the weeds effectively. For the best results, apply Celsius to actively growing weeds. This allows the herbicide to be readily absorbed and translocated throughout the plant. Check the weather forecast. Avoid applying if rain is expected within 2 hours, as this can wash away the product. After application, refrain from mowing the treated area for at least 2 days to allow the herbicide to fully take effect. Patience ensures effectiveness. Safety is paramount when using any herbicide. Always wear appropriate personal protective equipment, including gloves and eye protection, during mixing and application. After treatment, keep pets and people off the treated areas until the spray has completely dried. Finally, store any unused Celsius in its original container in a cool, dry, and secure location, away from children and animals. Follow these steps for safe and effective use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.